The action camera world just hit a turning point. Fresh off its November 2025 debut in China and only now rolling out globally, the DJI Osmo Action 6 arrives with cutting-edge features, but one massive twist. It won't officially launch in the US anytime soon due to ongoing political pressure on DJI. Meanwhile, released earlier on November 12th, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has already settled into the market along with Bundle, flexing its 8K power and Leica-tuned optics without any geopolitical baggage. One camera enters under a shadow, the other stands unchallenged. But in pure performance, which one truly leads? Let's find out. The first major difference between the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 begins at the sensor level. The Osmo Action 6 introduces a 38-megapixel, 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor, one of the largest placed inside a compact action camera. To date, DJI doesn't stop at size. The company fuses 2.4 microns pixels when needed, boosting low-light sensitivity and unlocking up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range. The sensor's square architecture also supports 4x34K at 120 frames per second shooting, letting creators capture more vertical and horizontal content simultaneously. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2, meanwhile, takes a different approach. A 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor paired with deep computational HDR and an 8K at 30 FPS video pipeline. While technically smaller than DJI's, the sensor benefits from Insta360's dual-chip processing and active HDR mode, allowing it to balance bright skies with dark foregrounds without losing fine detail. The company's partnership with Leica brings in a cinematic tone curve and color profile that many creators prefer right out of the camera. With low-light performance being the Achilles heel of action cameras historically, the winner for sensor power and image latitude is the DJI Osmo Action 6. For years, action cameras have been stuck with fixed apertures. DJI finally broke that mold. The Osmo Action 6 introduces the first variable aperture found in an action cam, ranging from f2 to f4, in bright snow landscapes or beaches. Stopping down to f4 prevents clipping without immediately reaching for ND filters indoors. Returning to f2 restores low light ability instantly. Even better, the camera handles this adjustment automatically when needed. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 uses a fixed f2.6 Leica lens. It is sharp, contrast-rich, and faithful in color, but during extremely bright outdoor shooting, the lack of aperture control becomes limiting. Likewise, low-light situations push the sensor harder. Because exposure control directly affects image consistency and creator flexibility, the DJI Osmo Action 6 takes the lead. The Osmo Action 6 starts with a 155-degree field of view, already wide enough for intense POV shooting. But what sets it apart is DJI's optional FOV boost lens, pushing the field of view to 182 degrees, creating an incredibly immersive perspective ideal for mountain biking, skateboarding, or surfing. DJI also offers a macro lens attachment that reduces minimum focusing distance from 35 centimeters to 11 centimeters, something Insta360 does not offer at all. But the Ace Pro 2 pairs its sensor with a 157-degree ultra-wide Leica lens, optically tuned for clarity and color accuracy. Unlike DJI's add-on approach, the Ace Pro 2 gives you its full wide field of view natively, with no accessories required. It also offers digital zoom, 2 times for video and 2.5 times for photos, maintaining shockingly good quality. Thanks to its 8K resolution, Insta360 provides a wide, crisp view right out of the box. while DJI offers ultra-wide and macro creativity through accessories. The result is a tie here. Utility resolution often becomes the headline battle, and here, Insta360 holds the highest flag with 8K at 30 FPS video capture. For creators who prioritize ultimate sharpness, landscape videography, or professional-grade post-production, 8K is a powerful advantage. The Osmo Action 6, while not offering 8K video, still pushes UHD 4K at 120 FPS at extremely high quality. Shooting 4:3 at high frame rates allows editors to extract both vertical and horizontal versions of the same shot. DJI further supports up to 32 times super slow motion at 1080p, equivalent to footage interpreted at 960 FPS, far beyond the Ace Pro 2's slowing capabilities. Since resolution remains a defining factor in tech comparisons, and Insta360 still stands alone in consumer-level 8K, the winner for video resolution is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Osmo Action 6 brings rock-steady 3.0 and 3.0 Plus, with horizon balancing and full 360-degree horizon steady, meaning the horizon stays perfectly level even if the camera rotates entirely. For action sports, this is invaluable. You can push movements to extremes without destabilizing the shot. The Ace Pro 2 counters with flow state stabilization and full horizon lock capability. It's smooth, organic, and polished, less digital-looking than some stabilization systems. Flow state adapts to motion patterns using scene detection AI, giving it a cinematic steadiness in calmer movements. Considering the audience of action cameras, the winner for stabilization is the DJI Osmo Action 6. The Osmo Action 6 carries 3 stereo microphones with Osmo audio processing, wind control, and one killer feature. It can directly pair with 2 DJI microphone transmitters at once, including Mic 2, Mic 3, and Mic Mini. This means 2-person vlogging, interviews, or ambient plus voice dual-track recording require no receiver. It's an enormous advantage for creators working solo. The Ace Pro 2 improves microphone clarity and wind reduction, but it does not match the dual mic pairing convenience or the ecosystem depth DJI has built. The winner for audio is clearly the DJI Osmo Action 6. The Osmo Action 6 is rated IP68, waterproof to 20 meters without housing, can operate at -20 degrees Celsius, and includes fast charging that reaches 80% in 22 minutes. Its 50 gigabytes internal storage can be a lifesaver on days when memory cards are forgotten. The Ace Pro 2 is waterproof to 12 meters and offers up to 3 hours of runtime when filming at 1080p. Because extreme environment reliability and built-in storage are more valuable than longer runtime at low resolution, the winner for durability is the DJI Osmo Action 6, although the Ace Pro 2 wins on battery longevity alone. Thank you for tuning in. Both cameras are outstanding, but they excel in different worlds. Ace Pro 2 wins for resolution, vibrant color, and vlogging flexibility, while the Osmo Action 6 dominates in dynamic range, low light, stabilization, and versatility. For pure action filmmaking, the Osmo Action 6 is the stronger overall choice. Any Insta360 lovers here? We'd also love to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.